chart of modal auxiliaries. Auxiliary verbs or helping verbs are used in conjunction with main verbs to express shades of time and mood. The combination of helping verbs with main verbs create what are called verb phrases or verb strings. So let's start. So our first modal auxiliary is can. Can is used with ability, strong ability, suggestion, and for permission. For example, she can sing very well. Don't stop your car suddenly. You can cause accident. You can get single room in hotel. Can I see you again? Could. Could is used with past ability, ability based, strong possibility, for permission, for polite request, for suggestion, for past of can, indirect speech. For example, when I was 10 years old, I could pat and rub my head at one time. You could be a good pianist if you practice more. Be careful with those matches. You could start a fire. Could I use your razor? May. May is used for vague possibility about a future action or about a present condition. For example, I may go home during the next break. Hasib may be homesick because he was depressed in past days. Might used for vague possibility about a future action, about a present condition. For past indirect speech, I might go home during the next break. He said he might go home before the break is over. Should. Should is used for obligation, expectations, and for advice. For example, a teacher should have patience. That police officer should know where the downtown is. You really should read more. Must used for necessity, for assumption, and for prohibition. For example, you must get on work on time. He must be a good writer because he has won many rewards. You must not speak in this area of hospital. Will is used for simple future, for promise, and for determination. For example, I will see you tomorrow. I will be there in no time. I will get an A in this course. Shall is used for an offer to do something for someone. For first person question asking for argument. For example, shall I put these paper on your desk? Shall we leave now? Would is used for polite request, willingness to do something, for past habitual action, for past of will and indirect speech, for result of a condition. For example, would you hold my books for a moment? Would you like to eat out tonight? My roommate would play the stereo until 3 o'clock in the morning. She said Ahmed would help me. There is also a separate section on the modal auxiliaries which divides these verbs into their various meaning of necessity, advice, ability, expectation, permission, and for possibility, and provide sample sentences in various tenses. So it's important to memorize these chart of modal auxiliaries. Thank you.